Alright, this is 4238 Holland. This is post jet going down through the 3-inch stack on the roof. Oh yeah. Nice and round and beautiful. See all them big chunks of debris are gone. The camera head only sits maybe a 1/4 inch off the bottom of the pipe. Alright, so there's our combo to the main going out. There is a small belly in this line. Pushing at it, the water will bulldoze over the top of the head, so I want to pull back just to get an idea how bad it is. Pipe's nice and clean, all the scales gone. Feed it to the sag here in a second. As long as it doesn't come over the camera head, it should be okay. I'd make sure to use Scott 1000 toilet paper on this side of the house and possibly look into pressure assisted toilets. Pipe looks good. All the debris is gone. And I'm coming back up the stack.